Welcome guys. So today we'll look into a good set of data interpretation, a simple set in fact. But before watching this video solution, attempt it. Link of the question is there in the description section. Also subscribe to the channel so that you get the notification as soon as I upload the solution. Now let's start. The pie chart below shows the percentage breakup of the student who participated in 5 different regions in a sports week organized by Dharma Public Association. The partially filled table given below shows the number of the students who participated in the 5 regions in 6 events conducted during this sports week. So in this table we see that we have according to the regions and we have 6 different events and the number of the students participating in it is given. Also we can see that some of the cells are left blank. Now let's see further. Each student who comes to a sports week participated in exactly one of the 6 events. So there is no multiplicity of the events in which a student participate. एक student आएगा तो एक ही event में participate करेगा. And only 6 events are there. There are no further more events. Second point says that at least one student from each region participated in each of the 6 events. So at least one student participate करेगा. So it means that minimum value in the cells left blank is 1. 6 cells in the table are left blank and the sum of the missing values or 6 missing values is 279. तो सारे ही 6 missing values का sum क्या हो जाएगा 279. Fine. Now what I can see is I can find the total number of student who participated. सबको sum कर लेंगे ये जो number available है इस table में and if I add 279 to it I'll get the total number of the students and I also have the percentage breakup of the students in each of the region. So एक region let's suppose east का हम निकाल सकते हैं क्योंकि total मिल गया 20% of it would be east. So I can find the value of the cell left blank over here. Similarly for others. So let's do it. Let's name each of the cell as A, over here as B, C, D, E and F. So east में altogether कितने लोग हैं? Let's sum this up. Now in summing this up, this is 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 2, 9, 2, 0, carry 2, this is 4 plus 8, 11, 5, 16, plus 2 is 18. So 18 plus 180 plus A is total number of the students over here. Similarly, west में sum up कर लेंगे, south, north में, south में और central में. So let's quickly do this. So we got the total number of students in each of the region. Now let's sum this up completely. Okay, so 0, 0, 5 and 6 is 11, carry 1, this is 6, 7, 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 2 carry 2, okay, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 8, 21 plus A, B, C, D, E, F and that is nothing but 279. So this is the total number of the students. I sum this up, this is 279, 79, okay, so this would be 1100. So total number of the student is 1100. Now we can find the total number of the students present in east region, that is 20%. So 10% is 110, 20% would be 220, in east total number of the students would be 220, it is 180 plus A, so value of A we got as 40. Okay, value of A is nothing but 40. Now in the west region, I cannot find the exact value of B and C, but total value of the west region is 16%. 16% of 1100. 16% is nothing but 4 by 25. If I just multiply 4 by 25 over here, I'll get 4, 16 into 11. That is nothing but 176 and this is 116. So value of B plus C would be 60. So let it like this, a B plus C is nothing but 60. Similarly, value of D, can you find the exact value of D? Yes, north region makes it to 21%. So 21% would be how much? We have seen that 20% was 220, 1% would be 11, that is 231. So 175 plus D is nothing but 231. So value of D will get as 25 plus 31, that is nothing but 50. 6. Similarly, I can find the value for the south region, that is 1/4 of this. So 1/4 of this would be 11 into 25, that makes it to 275. Value of E would be 75. Similarly, 150 plus f, that is nothing but 18%. 18% would be 220 minus 22, that is 198. So value of f would be 48. Now let's try to answer the question. The first question says that the number of the students who participated in badminton from central region, badminton central region, that is 48, is what percentage of the number of the students who participated in football from east region. Okay, so 48 by 40, if I do it, this is okay, 6 by 5, that is 120%. B. Question number 2, which of the following is not possible ratio of the number of the students participated in west region in swimming and cycling? So swimming and cycling are the values which are left blank, and their sum is 60, right? We know that B plus C is 60. So it is saying which of the following cannot be the possible ratio. So if I take first as 8 and 7, so this would be 15x. If we sum this ratio 7 and 8, 15x, and that is 60, will get integral value. So this is possible. So again, if I look for B, 3:5, if we sum this ratio, that is 8x equals to 60, I will not get integral value of x. So this would be my correct answer. I can see that it would be possible. 5x plus 7x, that makes it to 12x, that is a factor of 60. Similarly, this 10x again is a factor of 60. Question number 3. Which of the 6 events witnessed highest participation in the students in the 5 regions put together? So now we'll have to sum the values in the events. So for swimming, what is the total possible value? For lawn tennis, but can you find for swimming, and can you find exactly for cycling? No, we cannot find that because we do not know the exact value of B and we do not know the exact value of C. For else, I can exactly find. But let's try to answer the question. Let's try to find these values and let's see what could be the possible values for swimming and cycling, or what values will range for swimming and cycling. Now if we sum this up, we'll get the values like this, but we cannot find the exact value of B and C, so we'll write 148 plus B, 143 plus C. Now we need to find which will have the highest value. Now B or C, इसकी maximum value क्या हो सकती है? What would be the maximum value of this? Maximum value of this would be 59, not 60, because minimum value of 1 has to be given in each blank. Now I can see that even if I give this as value of B over here as 59, value of badminton, that is 210, which is the highest, as we can see, will not exceed this, right? If I give 59, it is nothing but adding 60 to it. So adding 60 is 208 to 207. So again, not possible. Badminton would be the highest. Similarly, if I add 59, the highest possible value, to cycling, that is to C over here, that would also not exceed 210. So correct answer would be badminton. Now question 4 says, if the number of the students who participated in swimming in the west region was more than the number of the students who participated in cycling from the west. So west region is B and C over here. So it says that value of B has to be greater than value of C. It says that value of B has to be greater than C. Also it has to be multiple of 5. Also we know that B plus C equals to 60. Okay, what is the sum of all the possible values of the product of the number of the students who participated in swimming in the west, means value of B, and that of those who participated in hockey from south? So hockey from south is nothing but 75. Fine. So what are the possible values of B? B has to be greater than C and it has to be multiple of 5. So possible values of B is nothing but 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. I cannot take 60 because individual values has to be at least 1. Now we have to multiply, or we need to find all the possible products. So if we sum this up, okay, and multiply it by 75, I'm doing just finding all the possible products of these values. So let's quickly sum this up. So this is AP, the 45 into 5, so that is nothing but 225 into 75. Okay, so this is a calculation here. So every number is on 5. Just a simple calculation, you can do it and find the answer.